Well, as often happens when out covering one story, we oftentimes find another, and this is just one of those cases. Joining me now is our Andy Barth.
Well, Rob, with education funding down, schools are trying to find a way to save money. And one school here in Oklahoma City may have found a way by going green.
With a fresh start to the year in a fresh facility, students begin yet another semester at Metro Career Academy, inside a year-old building with some unique characteristics.
These little white boxes here are carbon monoxide monitors.
I've been trying to text.
Shay Snyder is a student at Metro Career Academy and walks us around this eco-friendly campus.
What are you doing?
It reaches a certain level, filters in the fresh air, filters out the carbon monoxide, and we can all breathe a whole lot better.
Aside from better breathing, the building offers up some green, educational opportunities.
These cutouts here are all over the building. They're designed to be educational. This one here is showing us how our building is being built. If you push this little button, it'll sit there and talk to you, but also if you can't understand it or can't hear it, you can come over here and you can read it, and it'll tell you exactly what is in this cutout and what it's for.
And the school strives to save energy anywhere possible.
Even the lights are made from recycled materials. They're made with a certain kind of energy. They don't give off as much light because these big windows here, that's what lets in most of the light.
And according to Shay, green construction isn't only inside.
Green's not always for the inside of a building. Let me show you some things about outside that's just as interesting as inside too.
And while outside, we met up with construction manager Chris Callens of CMS Willowbrook, who is one of the professionals behind this LEED certified project.
LEED is building sustainable design. It's being friendly to the environment, it's recycling material, it's just being friendly back to the environment so we don't have as much going into the landfill.
And the materials that make up this building aren't what they seem.
And it looks like we have brick and limestone on this building, but it is actually not.
It's a special exterior foam. Even if a hailstorm were to come through, it would hold up. Hollow.
In addition to having fake brick, Metro Tech prides themselves in conserving water.
One thing that's really interesting is this runoff right here. There's a tube that runs behind the wall and up from the ceiling. When it rains, it will drain through that pipe, run out here. This runoff right here, it drains the water, and that runoff will either drain into the pond or water the plants around it.
Upstairs, Shay introduces us to horticulture teacher Jonna Squires as we look at the rooftop garden and see where the water runoff comes from.
It creates another learning opportunity. We can grow some plants, grow some actual herbs and some other things for the students. Again, it's creating that green effect, and we're utilizing every space for opportunity for growth and learning for our students.
Saving taxpayer dollars and our planet, all by conserving energy.
Now, in addition to saving money, the Academy's goal is to educate its visitors and students about the importance of conserving energy.
And Andy, I understand they were also environmentally conscious about buying their materials.
That's right, Rob. They purchase all of their building material within a 500-mile radius, both keeping it local and reducing their carbon footprint.
All right, thank you a lot, Andy.